आंगार शिरशिरी हाडपाचीच ही गजाल। मडगांवां एका घराचे वणटींत 11 वर्साचो मनशाचो सांगाडो मेळ्ळो। पुतान आपल्याच बापायक जितोच मारून ताजे मडे संडासाच्या वणटींत पुरोवन दवरलेलें। मडगांव पुलिसांनी आता खुनाचो आरोप लावन ते खातीर 35 वर्साच्या परशुराम दोनाहळ्ळीक अटक केल्या।
हो तरनो आरोपी एका भाड्याच्या घरात रावतालो। ते घर सारके करपाक घेतले तेन्ना वणटी भितर घर मालकाक हो सांगाडो सापडलो। पुलिसांनी रोकडोच थंय भाड्यान रावपी परशुरामाक धरलो तेन्ना ताणें आपणे खून करून मडे वणटीत लिपयल्ल्याचे मान्य केले।
Appeared at the police station and informed that behind his house there is one storeroom of whose extension work was going on, and while work was doing, they found some skeleton remains and one skull while digging out the toilet part. In the inquiry, it was revealed from the owner of the house, Ismail Sheikh, that since last 15 to 20 years he was abroad, that is Dubai, for some work purpose, and one couple from Bijapur was staying as a caretaker of the said house. So in the June 2008, the wife, the lady person whose name is Renuka, called said owner of the house in the abroad and informed that her husband is missing, and they are going to Bijapur in search of her husband. The son of the deceased is presently not staying at Bijapur and he has shifted to Kunnur after selling all the property from Bijapur. So my team again left to Kunnur and conducted inquiry. After conducting the inquiry with the son regarding this said person and the said incident, he confessed about the crime and told that he along with his mother killed the said Bhimsen. He killed the Bhimsen because he told that the said Bhimsen used to come to his house and harass his mother and him, and also was assaulting them. So in the one night of June 2008, he along with his mother assaulted him and he became unconscious, and after that they strangulated his throat, and to destroy the evidence they buried him inside the room, in the bathroom. When the said family, that is the wife, son and 2 daughters, left to Bijapur, the villagers was having a doubt that because the presence of this Bhimsen was not told, that is also in Goa and is in Bijapur. So they pressurized them that they had done something wrong to this Bhimsen, and in that pressure that mother committed the suicide by taking the pesticides. Presently we have taken the custody of Parshuram Donahalli and we registered the crime under section 302 and 201 for destroying the evidence, and our further investigation is in progress.
मडगांवच्यान आमचो खबराकार संदीप तुयेकार।